Gavin Rodrigues, who's the domain expert workforce engagement solution for Avaya India, and Anil Jolekar, who's the MD of CS Infocom Private Limited, has joined us virtually for the next session on BFSI sector in this changing world.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to this session. I am Gavin Rodrigues, domain expert workforce engagement solutions at Avaya. Along with me is Mr. Anil Joglekar from CS Infocom. Hello, sir. Very good afternoon to you.
Hi, everybody, and thanks, Kevin. I'm the managing director of CS Infocom, and CS Infocom is a partner for Avaya Solutions in India.
Perfect, sir. Thank you so much. And I would like to take this opportunity to introduce to you what we basically going to take you through in today's learnings. Basically, how BFSI customers can address the challenges in this changing world. When we talk about challenges, COVID-19 has changed the way we work. It has slowed down some expected changes, however, sped up some unexpected ones. Most financial organizations have had to normalize workforce measures for multiple month sustainability. As an essential service, banks have had to adopt carefully segmented approach to work based on service criticality, exposure risk, and so on. Moving forward with COVID-19, a contingency plan will become the necessary to every business, right? So how can Avaya basically come in and help? We can help you gain visibility into aspects of business such as customer experience, business performance, operational productivity, and how would you address the challenges in this changing world. This is done with various solutions that help collect productivity data, sift through right data to drive effective action to improve customer journey. Along with real-time insight, you can also drive actions in a timely, informed, and appropriate manner. Does the value of this solution brings in faster, better, easier access to critical business insights and higher achievement of targets, right? So how do we basically track true productivity, right? Right from office to with work at home solutions. Desktop process analytics is the client that helps us find that hidden capacity and helps us improve productivity. It also provides insights to groups like IT, operations, and also provides visibility into employee behavior, right? Which most of the organizations today are looking, because while you moved ahead with work at home, employee behavior is basically going to be the pinnacle, right? So moving ahead with insights, how could basically the solution help with guidance? Now, when I talk about guidance, it could be simple steps that could be popped up, like this particular pop-up, which talks about what is the next step that the frontline staff or the staff needs to do, right? It also can help you with a critical factor, which is compliance, right? Wherein data can be restricted from copy pasted to local systems, very, very critical to financial organizations supporting from home or maybe outside office hours, right? Certain snapshots of the solution is what I would like to talk about. You could pop up a screen talking about unauthorized action. Whatever information that your company guideline provides, we could basically go ahead and pop it up into this particular window, which could talk about not only the actions that someone is basically copy pasting information, but it can also talk about color coding these actions in terms of an amber, red, or it could also basically get into notifying a compliance officer for that matter, right? So a desktop analytics pop-up or an email could be shooted out directly with the date, time stamp to the compliance officer. From here on, in order to talk about more about compliance and home agent, I would hand it over to Mr. Anil Joglekar. He will take you through the compliance bit in detail.
Thanks, Gavin. Here now I'm going to present the secured work from home agent on Avaya platform. During COVID, a lot of the home agent implementations were done so that the agents can work from the home, and the various security measures like VPN and other factors were involved so that the security is maintained during the home agent operation. But there was one challenge was involved, that home agent who is at home, is it a right agent who is working on the system, or is he right location from where he is operating, or is he anybody else is also there in front of the desktop and laptop. So this solution, the secured at home, it sits on the Avaya platform and can capture all possible errors or the threats, so that it can be informed to the supervisor and corresponding action plan can be done. And you can make sure that agents are working very securely without getting any other third party intruder, or without getting any other device in between, so that they can take the camera photographs or any other such thing. So this can become a security threat. And in such situation, the home agent with the secured platform can really become a right solution on the Avaya's platform. The other solution which we want to discuss here is a home video agent. Video agent can really explain the things to the customers. And many times what happens with the new normal, it is becoming very critical factor now, how we are going to do the marketing and handle the customer life cycle in your new normal. Now in new normal, the maintaining the social distancing is a very important factor. And in such situation, the at-home solution really becomes a very important factor. Because in standard contact center, the problem is that whenever the agent is talking to the customer, he is unable to explain the complex things, and customers are unable to visualize what agent is trying to talk. And same time in current new normal, the customers are going to avoid coming to your branch, your office, and that's why having the virtual branch is going to be important factor. So CSI introduced the at-home agent so that the next generation virtual digital world can be implemented, and a virtual branch can be there, so that the customers can operate with the branch or the insurance offices right from sitting at home, and they can handle it securely. Now here is a simple example, like through a website or through mobile phone, the customers can access digitally to the customer branch office of the insurance company. And here we are showing example that if the insurance company want to sell the insurance to their client, how they can do it. So the customer will go to your app, and on app they will be trying to access the video agent, and they will first have a chat so that they can select what they are looking for, and then they will transfer their call to the video agent. Now video agent can securely talk to the customers. Customer can come on the video call, and simultaneously the agent or the insurance officer can share the data, the various applications by which he can explain to the customer how the insurance can be purchased, and all his queries can be resolved. So in this situation, the different options can be shown. So it helps the customer to take the right decision, as well as your KYC data can be uploaded onto the system, as well as if customer is buying the insurance, he can connect to the payment gateway and directly make the payment, and the link can be sent to the customer so that he receives electronically the policy, so that the whole process is done virtually without coming in contact with each other. I think these are the very powerful solution. We'll request you to visit Avaya CS Infocom stall, where we can try to help you out and explain it in more detail, and you can see the live demo of the products also. And I'm handing over to Gavin.
Thank you, Mr. Joglekar. And I would like to take this opportunity to introduce to you Speech Analytics. Speech Analytics sits on top of phone interactions, collects and mines them for key intelligence, right? Avaya's Speech Analytics solution not only records 100% of calls, but also helps you transcribe each word and phrase in a single phone call. This gives us a rich experience, a rich data source to basically mine through. Another critical area that is customer satisfaction and customer churn in today's world for any financial organization. Speech is a very powerful tool to identify this risk against among customers. Customers typically tell you why they're upset. Your frontline staff is also trained to ask why. So now with Speech Analytics, you have a richer conversation. you can mine this and resolve the issue right there and then, rather than waiting for a quality team to bring up that particular issue to address at a later stage. Also, these things need to happen with real-time interventions, right? Avaya presents to you the real-time speech analytics solution as well, coupled with the speech analytics historical tool. It helps you reveal intelligence in terms of pinpointing trends, opportunities, that how the understanding of your offerings are being perceived by your customers. Avaya's conversational analytics can also identify group and words that are different, right? So by contextually relating it to a particular topic, such as relating to an irate customer, to an amount deductions, late payment fees, etc. Thus, real-time speech analytics can help organizations ensure regulatory compliance, increase customer retention, increase first contact resolution, increase sales, and enhance coaching opportunities. With this, I would like to invite you to our booth for more information, and we are happy to help you in detail one-on-one. Thank you.
As you know that there is Expo area where you can virtually interact with our various product and services being exhibited, and you can obviously talk to our company representatives and experts. So do visit and see you on the other side.